When I water my strawberries with this, they turn out big and sweet every year. In this short video, I'll show you the best homemade fertilizer for strawberries using simple ingredients you already have at home. And I'll also reveal a powerful foliar spray for protection against diseases and pests. You'll get the biggest harvest of strawberries ever. I'll even share the secret of where to get some of these ingredients completely free in large quantities. So make sure to watch until the end. But first, I need to give you a few short and very important tips, because every little detail matters. Planting strawberries at the end of summer is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a rich harvest in spring. Autumn months provide ideal conditions because the soil is still warm from summer, while moisture and mild temperatures help young plants root quickly. If you plant healthy, high-quality seedlings in September, within just a few months you'll have strong plants ready for abundant flowering and fruiting. The first and most important thing is choosing the right spot. Strawberries love the sun, so find a place that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of light daily. The soil must be loose, rich in humus, and well drained, since strawberries do not tolerate standing water. Otherwise, the roots will quickly rot. Adding some compost or manure is ideal to make the soil fertile and airy. When planting, keep spacing in mind, about 25 to 30 centimeters between each plant and 40 centimeters between rows. This gives them enough space to grow and makes maintenance and harvesting easier. Always plant so that the crown of the strawberry, where the leaves grow from, stays above the soil. If it's buried, the plant can rot. After planting, water thoroughly and keep the soil moist, but don't overdo it. Another great tip is to plant near crops that naturally repel pests, such as onions, garlic, or rosemary. This reduces the need for chemicals and creates a healthier environment for your strawberries. During September, the plants will root well, and by spring they'll surprise you with fresh, big, and juicy fruits. Now, let's make the homemade fertilizer. In half a liter of warm water, add a small spoon of coffee grounds, an excellent source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all vital for strawberry growth and fruiting. Dilute it with water. It becomes a mild feed that stimulates strong roots and leaves. It slightly acidifies the soil, which strawberries love, and even helps repel certain pests. Coffee ground are easy to get for free in cafes and restaurants, since they usually throw them away. Next, add a spoon of dry yeast, which boosts the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil that break down organic matter into nutrients plants can easily absorb. It contains B vitamins and enzymes that strengthen roots and encourage faster leaf growth. Regular use makes plants more resistant to diseases and stress. Yeast also activates the soil, leading to a healthier and more abundant yield. Sugar is a perfect partner for yeast because it acts as quick food, instantly starting fermentation. As yeast consumes sugar, it produces useful compounds and microorganisms that enrich the soil. This makes nutrients easier for plants to absorb and speeds up growth. With sugar, the yeast fertilizer becomes much more effective. The last ingredient is a banana peel, rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential minerals for flowering and big, sweet fruits. As it breaks down in the soil or solution, it slowly releases nutrients that plants can absorb over time. Banana peels also strengthen roots and boost the plant's resistance to diseases and stress. You can easily get them for free from pastry shops, since they throw them away. Let everything sit for 24 hours, then strain and dilute with 1 more liter water. That means 1 spoon of each ingredient and a handful of banana peel for 1.5 liters of fertilizer. Water strawberries once or twice a month, giving about 200 milliliters per plant, and don't overdo it. Now I'll show you a great foliar spray for protecting strawberries from diseases and pests. In 300 milliliters of water, add 100 milliliters of milk. Milk contains natural enzymes and bacteria that prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Its calcium strengthens plant cell walls, reducing cracking and fruit rot. Regular spraying creates a protective layer on the leaves that blocks many harmful microorganisms. Then add 1 spoon of baking soda. Baking soda reduces acidity on leaf surfaces and creates an environment hostile to fungi like mildew. It can also act as a mild insect repellent, disturbing some pests and slowing their reproduction. When used properly, it's a safe and natural alternative to chemicals. The final ingredient is half a spoon of garlic powder. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that act as a natural fungicide, stopping fungi and bacteria on plants. Its strong smell and active compounds also repel insects like aphids, thrips, and mites. In spray form, it strengthens plants and creates a protective barrier against diseases and pests. Let it sit in water for a few hours, then strain and dilute with another half-liter water. Spray strawberries once or twice a month. Friends, don't forget to check out our next video on the screen. Thank you and see you soon.